Drywall repairman here. Look, we're doing some patchwork on a ceiling. They had to cut out these areas to fix a problem leaking pipe. So we got the areas all cut out. You could do one long piece there, or just patch it in. See how I added backing, wood backing. I also put screws in the existing framing. You want to tighten up the area. Now you're ready for sheetrock. So let's go ahead and put the sheetrock in. All right, we got it all sheetrocked. We could have did one long patch there, but it's easy enough. We're gonna get this all first coated. Nice first coat. I also use fiberglass mesh tape. I know a lot of people criticize fiberglass mesh tape, but it is the go-to stuff. Fiberglass mesh tape is perfect for drywall repairs. All right, let's get this first coated.